So for this problem, to find the derivative of inverse trigonometric functions, then for this given, so first using the quotient rule, so this is equal to u over v, and to find the derivative, so this is v times the derivative of u, then minus u times the derivative of v, then all over v squared. So from this given, u equals the arctan 2x or the inverse tangent 2x. Then for du, so since the derivative of arctan is equal to du and u is 2x, so this is u. So du or the derivative of 2x, this is 2 then over 1 plus u squared or 1 plus u is 2x then to the power 2. Then du equals 2 then over 1 plus this 2x to the power 2. This is equal to 4x squared. Then for v is x, and the derivative of x, this is 1. So using now this formula, so we have v du, so y prime equals v is x times du, and du is 2 then over 1 plus 4x squared, then minus u dv, and u is arctan 2x, then times the derivative of v, that's 1 then all over v squared, or this is x squared. Then to simplify, so we have y prime equals, multiply this x and 2, this one is 2x, then over 1 plus 4x squared, then minus this one is arctan 2x, then all over, so we have x to the power 2. Then to simplify, so we have y prime then equals, so we can do the crisscross multiplication, so this is over 1, so multiply, so this one is 2x, then multiply, so we have minus, so this is 1 plus 4x squared, then times arctan 2x, then over this denominator, so 1 plus 4x squared, then all over this x to the power 2. Then to simplify, so we have y prime equals 2x, then minus, so open parenthesis, so multiply this 1 times arctan 2x, so this is arctan 2x, then this 4x squared times arctan 2x, so plus 4x squared, then arctan 2x, then close parenthesis, then over this one plus 4x squared, then times, so the reciprocal of x squared, this is 1 over x squared. Then we have y prime equals, so this is 2x, then distribute this negative, so negative arctan 2x, then distribute this negative, so this becomes negative 4x squared, then arctan 2x, then all over. So distribute this x squared. So x squared times 1, this is x squared, then plus x squared times 4x squared. So this is 4x to the power 4. So this is now the derivative.